Today, I want to show you how to make the most out of Senja using testimonials to build more trust and get more sales. Hey, it's Chris, and I'm building my creator business. And since May 2022, I've earned over 180,000 from my content. And social proof has been one of my key strategies to establish credibility with my audience. I want to walk you through my three biggest revenue streams and how I use social proof in my creator business. First is brand sponsorship, digital products, and then services. Starting with brand sponsorships, it all starts with the media kit. You can see here I'm using logos right out of the gate. Then testimonies supporting my case studies, what the brand says, the results, and of course the logo. I also show how many brands I've worked with, including what they said too. I also created a wall of love called sponsors. I've tagged brand partnerships. I've even tagged testimonials from my event attendees and newsletter readers in order to push brands to sponsor that type of content. I always prompt brands to leave feedback, but instead of having them submit through the form, I use Senja's Chrome extension to just quickly import what they said about the campaign. This could be from LinkedIn, Slack, or even email, not forgetting to add a tag. All right. Moving on to digital products. It's actually hard to find anywhere on my website, UX Playbook, where I don't use social proof and customer testimonies. Some examples here are the avatars and stars. Then we have the avatars, the rich cards, and the masonry grid. Also, what I love about putting into my footer the scrollable quotes. And I've made a wall of love, which I've prioritized video. I've created categories and tags that are outcome oriented, like systems taught, helps get a job, and portfolios improved. And this is how I think about tagging. They can either be product based or problem and solution based, even business type. Here you have my coaching business and my sponsorship, and then even different channels or lead source. For digital products, I also leverage my onboarding sequences where I prompt users to leave a testimonial. Clicking on leave a testimony will get you to here, where I've included a video to increase the response rates and offer a free gift if they choose to leave a testimonial. And finally, let's talk about my coaching service and how I use testimonies there. I've built a specific form for my membership and coaching service. Here, when a user submits a testimony, they'll get automatically tagged to backlog. What that means is the testimonies from backlog will only display here and it wouldn't mix and match with my other product. I'm also leaning heavy on video testimonials. And if we filter out backlog only testimonials, you'll see that I've added a lot of screenshots too, just to give a little bit more color. And lastly, I also use Senja to embed videos to replace YouTube or Vimeo. I just find the UI a lot cleaner. From exporting testimonial images and dedicated wall of loves to organizing testimonials based on problem solved, or even using Senja as a video player, that's how I use Senja for my creator business. Tell me how you leverage social proof.